Hey Dappers! We have consistently upgraded DAP and delivered new features to help you meet the changing needs of the marketplace and to run a successful and profitable membership site. Today, I'm thrilled to announce the new beta release of DAP version 5.0. Our goal with DAP 5.0 is to improve your overall DAP experience with easier to use, easy on the eyes, and more intuitive DAP admin pages, improved navigation, mobile responsive interfaces, improved look and feel, and a lot more options to manage and access your membership data. Hi, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder and co-developer of digitalaccesspass.com. Let me take you behind the scenes to show you what DAP 5.0 is all about. Here's a quick overview of DAP 5.0 features and the improvements. I'll first show you the problems that we have today, and then I will go over how we have addressed each one of those issues in DAP 5.0. Number 1, look and feel. If you visit the DAP admin users manage page today, it looks something like this. Now you will find a list of all your members and the member details and everything that you need to know about your members you'll find here. But let's face it, it does not look very good, does not look very clean or elegant. Now how have we fixed this in DAP 5.0? Now this is the new version of the Manage Users page. Now you will see the difference between what we have in 5.0 and what we used to have before. So this is the version that's there currently, and this is the 5.0 version of that same page. The basic search option is still the same, basic operations is still the same, but we also have an advanced search now, and I will show you what that is in a little bit. But you will see how well the data is organized and how different it looks compared to what it used to look like before. Now, the other good news is that this page is now fully mobile responsive. So all of the new DAP 5.0 admin pages that we have created, they are all mobile responsive. Improvement number 2, advanced search. Now if you visit the DAP users manage page today, you can search by email, first name, last name, user ID, user status, and by product, one product at a time. And that's it. Now in DAP 5.0, when you visit the users page, you still have the basic search option, but we also have a new advanced search option. But the basic search is very similar. We have also added PayPal email as well as Facebook email to the basic search. So if you enter the user's PayPal email right here, it will show you the primary email that is attached to that PayPal email. Similarly, if you search by Facebook email, it will show you the user's primary email that is attached to that Facebook email. Now again, you can search by product, you can search by user status, product status, very similar to what you can do today. Now in addition, if you go to the advanced search, you will see you have a lot more options here. So you can search by user's email, first name, last name, user ID. In addition, you can search by products. So not just one product, but you can select multiple products here. So for example, if you want to select this and want to say, give me a list of all the users that have free membership, platinum membership, but don't have gold membership. So it also has a no access to option. You can also search by user status, product status, email opt-in status, or give me a list of all the users whose access started between this and this date, for example. So you have several more options for search than what you have currently. So you can see that we have made a lot of improvements to the way search works in the Manage Users page today. Improvement number 3, sort option. So if you visit the DAP users manage page today, you will see that there's no way to sort by any of these fields. By default, the data here is sorted by user ID, but you cannot change the order or sort by any other fields. But we have fixed that in DAP 5.0. So you will now see that you can sort by ID, by name, by email, by product name, or by access start or access end date. So you will see you have a lot more sort option than what you have today. Improvement number 4, advanced export option. So if you visit the DAP users manage page today, you will find an option to export users under operations. So you can select your export criteria and click on go. It will find all the members that meet the selected criteria. The only problem is that the export function currently tries to fetch the data in real time. So if you have too many members that meet the selected criteria, it's possible that your export will time out because your browser will time out. So to address this issue, what we have done is in DAP 5.0, when you visit the DAP users manage page, click on export members, it will bring up a page like this. You can select your export criteria. You have a lot more options now. You can select multiple products. You can say, get me all the users that have access to these products, don't have access to these products. So you can select whatever you want to export, however you want to export. And then when you click on export to CSV, it does not pull the data in real time. So what it does instead is it submits a job to the job queue. So when you click on export to CSV, you will find a message like this show up. It will say the export job has been queued. And when the cron job runs at the top of the hour, that's when the export job will be processed. So after the cron runs, you will find the full URL of the CSV file in your job queue. And you can take that URL, and when you visit that URL in a browser, you can then download the CSV. So this way, your export will not time out no matter how many members you have or what your selection criteria is. It does not matter because it's not going to time out. So when your cron runs at the top of the hour and then you visit the job queue, you will find something like this that will say export job is complete, and under payload you will find the URL of your CSV file. So you can copy this in a browser. If you visit this URL, you will be able to download your CSV file that will have all your exported members. Improvement number 5, advanced import option. Today, if you want to import members, you'll have to go to users, click on add. It will bring up a page like this. You can add one user at a time, or you can add multiple users, and you can only bring in email, first name, last name, and username fields into DAP. And there is a way to import additional fields, but that process is a little complicated and there is no UI for that currently. So the way we have addressed that in DAP 5.0 is when you go to manage members, there is a completely separate page. For import members, it's easy to understand because it says import members in the navigation now. So when you click on import members, it's going to bring up a page like this. Now here, you can see that there is a lot more options and you can import whatever fields you want, even custom fields. So here, first step is to select your product to which you want to import the members. Now you can enter your comma-separated list of data that you want to import. So it doesn't have to be in a specific order. So you could, for example, have first name first, and then you could have email, then last name. Whatever order you want your data to be in, it's fine, because you can specify the order of the fields right here. So for example, say that I have data like this that I want to import. So I just have first name and email, and I want to import this. And basically all I have to do here is that I have to select the order of the field. So I can just do this and that's it. So because I only have 2 fields here, I just have to say field name 1 is first name, field name 2 is email. Now if I had additional fields, for example, if I had custom field, say tax ID, and I had it here, entered that data here, then all I had to do was field number 3, it will show the custom field as well here. You have to first define the custom field in the custom fields page, but all the custom fields that you have defined will show up in the dropdown. So then you can say field number 3 is tax ID. And once you have selected the fields, you can then say import members, and it's going to add the job to the queue, to the job queue, and when the cron runs, that's when it's going to complete the import. Now, as you can see here, you can also import dates. So if you want to bring in the user's access start date and access end date, you can do that, and you can specify the format of your access date right here and then click on import members to import the members. So you can see that the import is a lot more flexible, has a lot more options than what we used to have in versions before 5.0. Improvement number 6, you can now import and export custom fields. So if you visit the DAP users manage page and you click on export members, it's going to bring up a page like this. Now here You can select your export criteria. If you don't want to select anything, you want to export all the members, that's fine. Then you don't have to select anything. Now, when you click on export to CSV, it's not just going to export your regular profile fields, but it's also going to export any custom fields that you have defined, and whatever data is associated with that custom field for the members, it's going to export that as well. So yes, you have to first define the custom field in the user's custom fields page, and then you have to collect the custom fields from your users. But if you're doing that already and you want a way to be able to export the custom field data for each member, then now you can do that. So if you just do export to CSV, it will automatically export all the custom data as well. Number 7, we have updated the DAP custom fields page. So now if you visit members custom fields, you will see a page like this. The functionality is still the same, but we have just updated the look and feel. Now this page is mobile responsive. It does the same thing. So if you click on create new custom field, you can add a new custom field, and you can select an existing custom field from the select field list to update an existing custom field. Number 8, we have also updated the DAP edit users page. So today, to edit user details, you have to go to members, manage, and then click on the user's name or user ID to get to the edit users page, and the edit users page looks something like this. Now we have tried to improve this and try to make it more intuitive. So in the new version, if you visit the members manage page and want to edit user details, then you can still click on the ID or the name and it will bring you to the edit users page. But in addition, under operations, you will see there is a little editor icon, and when you click on that, it will allow you to edit user details. When you click on that, it will bring up a page like this, and this page also is now mobile responsive. Number 9, we have also updated the DAP email broadcast page. So now if you visit that page and you look at number 3, you will see a lot more options for broadcast. So now you can say, I want to send an email broadcast to all users of this and this product. You can select multiple products here, and users that do not have access to this and this product. Again, you can select multiple products in this as well if you want to, but if you want to send to all, then you don't have to select one here. And you can select access end date. I want to send to all the users that have active access, so you can select that as well. So based on this criteria, the broadcast email will only be sent to people that meet this criteria. So you will find a lot more broadcast options now. In addition, we have also added a new WYSIWYG editor for HTML emails. So sending HTML emails is going to be pretty easy from here on. So you can just copy your email here and you can format it using this editor, and you don't have to add any tags. You don't have to add the HTML start tag anymore, and just enter your HTML email here and format it however you want, and we will make sure that it gets sent out as a HTML email. Now if you want to send the email as a text message and not as a HTML message, that's fine too, but you cannot do both. So if you want to just send as a text message, you can just copy and paste your message there, and then do the schedule email, and it will get sent as a text message. We are really excited about the DAP 5.0 release. We hope you like it too. We look forward to your feedback, and we are very grateful for your support. This is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching.